What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery and the remote key fob for a Ford Bronco. So this key fob is going to be for the Broncos that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the blade out. Now if we take a look in the area where that blade just came out of, there's two notches kind of on the lip of this. One right here, and there's one in here. What I'm going to do is just use those notches, get my screwdriver in those notches, and we're going to pry up on the back cover. So kind of get it in there. You can see the cover starting to come up. Move over to that next one and pry up. And then once you get it popped up, the cover will just pull off like that. Now we can see our battery right here. And I'm going to use that screwdriver again just to help get this battery out of the holder. Now I'll grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first. Tuck this edge in first like that. And then snap it down into place. Snap the back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.